Y'all be sure to visit our website and check out our awesome line of Southern Hoggers lit coolers we have for sale. If y'all get a chance, go check out our Southern Hoggers Facebook page and also visit our website at www.southernhoggers.com.
Y'all, second day out here at Choctaw Hunting Ranch, Magnolia, Arkansas. Had a blast yesterday afternoon. Y'all saw that hog I killed last night. It's probably 9 o'clock. I just had to set it out. But anyways, we're going to try stalk this morning and see if we can't get on a group of hogs. And we come in here earlier and we see just sign all over the place. So it shouldn't be long. So y'all stay with us. Y'all, I'm having an awesome time out here at Choctaw Hunting Ranch. Came in yesterday, did a couple stalks, didn't have any luck. Stayed in that blind last night. Good nice group come up under the feeder. I was able to put one of them down. Woke up this morning. We've steadily been stalking all morning. Made a bad shot on one hog, so we kept easing around. We come around about 500 yards over in this pine thicket. This big sow right here got up. .457 caliber air rifle, PBBA. Didn't take no time to put her down. She was actually running when I shot. But anyways, I'm glad y'all could join us. This is Southern Hoggers TV.